Claude just dropped something crazy and it literally spooked the stock market. This isn't hype anymore. AI just became scary for every SaaS company out there. Wait until you see what this means for you. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. So here's what happened. Claude released a new feature and investors panicked, not because of bad earnings, not because of the economy, because of an AI update. Think about that for a second. When was the last time a product feature moved markets? This is different, and I'm going to show you exactly why. So Claude just launched something called plugins, and it's not like ChatGPT plugins. This is way more dangerous. Here's why everyone freaked out. Before this update, AI was just a helper. It made you faster, it helped you write better, but you still needed all your tools. You still needed your team. You still paid for 10 different subscriptions. Not anymore, because now Claude can replace entire tool stacks. Let me explain. The old model was simple. You had Notion for notes, Trello for tasks, Slack for communication, Calendly for meetings, 10 tools, 10 subscriptions, 10 logins. The new model is wild. One AI, multiple plugins, everything connected. And here's the scary part. It actually works. I'm going to show you a real example in a minute, but first let me break down what Claude Cowork actually is. It's a desktop app. You don't need to code. You don't need any technical setup. You just click buttons and it connects directly to your computer. Now, here's where it gets insane. The plugin system, you can add plugins from 3 places: official Anthropic plugins, GitHub plugins that other people built, or you can upload your own. This turns Claude into a modular operating system like an app store, but for AI capabilities. And this is what scared investors, because now one AI can do what used to take 5 tools. Let me show you a real example. There's a productivity plugin right now. It handles task management, project planning, memory of everything you're working on, context awareness across all your work. It syncs with your calendar. It reads your emails. It knows your Slack messages. It learns how you work. And it builds long-term memory. And if you want to learn how to actually use AI tools like this to automate your business and save hours every single day, join the AI Profit Boardroom. We break down every new AI tool that matters and show you exactly how to use it in your business. No fluff, just practical automation you can use today. Link in the description. Now imagine this, you tell Claude, hey, I need to plan my week for AI Profit Boardroom. I've got content to create. I've got member questions to answer. I've got new automation workflows to test. Just messy human thoughts. Claude takes that mess, organizes it automatically, prioritizes everything, creates a logical order, builds you a dashboard, no manual setup, no configuration. It just works. Now compare that to how you do it today. You open Notion, you manually create tasks, you organize them yourself, you set deadlines yourself, you track everything yourself. With Claude plugins, you just talk and it handles the rest. This is why Notion investors are worried. This is why Trello investors are worried, because the barrier just disappeared. And here's what makes this different from every AI tool before. Most AI tools were for developers. You needed to write code, you needed to understand APIs, you needed technical skills. Nobody normal used them, but Claude Cowork is different. Click buttons, that's it. And that's the problem for SaaS companies, because when everyone can use it, adoption goes crazy. Let me show you why this matters for you. Let's say you run AI Profit Boardroom. You need to manage members, answer questions, create content, build automations, track everything. Right now, you probably use 5 tools for that. With Claude plugins, you could use one plugin that remembers every member, knows their questions, tracks their progress, suggests content ideas based on what they ask, automates responses to common questions, builds workflows without you touching code, all from one interface, and it costs less than your current tool stack. This is the market panic in one sentence. AI just became cheaper and better than software. Now, let me talk about the bigger picture, because this isn't just about Claude. This is about where AI is heading in 2026. We're seeing autonomous agents hire real humans. We're seeing AI-only platforms where humans can't even participate. We're seeing agent ecosystems evolve faster than governments can regulate them. Claude Cowork is just one example, but it's part of a massive shift. AI isn't a feature anymore. It's becoming the platform, the interface, the memory system, the automation layer, everything. And Claude Cowork doesn't require API spend. You just need the pro plan. That's it. For most people, that's enough. Now, if you want advanced features like browser control, you might need API access. But for basic automation and plugins, the Pro plan works. Compare that to your current tool stack. Now, let me talk about something important, security, because a lot of people are going to mess this up. Do not host AI agents on exposed servers. Do not give them access to your email. without safeguards. Do not let them send messages without you checking. There's a real risk called prompt injection. I'm not going to explain how it works, but basically someone can trick your AI into doing things you didn't authorize. So here's what you do instead. Keep it local, run it on your computer, use secure gateways if you need remote access. Don't give it full access to everything day one. Start small, test it, then expand. Safety matters here. Okay, so what does this actually mean for you? If you're a creator, this changes everything. If you're a founder, this changes everything. If you're trying to build a business, this changes everything. Here's what you need to do. Stop buying more tools. Start learning how AI systems actually work. Because the people who understand this early will have an unfair advantage. Everyone else will be paying for 10 subscriptions while you use one AI. Let me give you a real example. Right now, you could use Claude to manage the entire AI profit boardroom workflow. Content creation, member management, question tracking, automation building, all with plugins and memory. You type, "Hey Claude, here's what members asked this week. Create 3 pieces of content that answer their biggest problems. Schedule them across our platforms. Track engagement. Let me know what's working." That used to take 3 tools and 4 hours. Now it takes 1 prompt and 10 minutes. This is the shift. This is why the market reacted. Because it's not theoretical anymore. It works today and it's only getting better. So here's my advice. Don't panic, adapt, learn these systems now, build leverage early, stop relying on tool stacks that can be replaced by one agent, because that future isn't coming. It's already here. The market didn't freak out because AI is cool. It freaked out because AI is finally usable by everyone, and that changes everything. If you want the full breakdown of how to set this up step by step, join the AI Profit Boardroom. We've got SOPs, we've got templates, we've got the exact workflows you need to start using this today. And if you want the free version, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. This stuff works. You just need to actually use it. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. I will see you in the next one.